guys, welcome back to my channel Sangwan Learning Point. Today we will learn about biodiversity and further topics of chapter 1, the living world of class 11th. In the last lecture we have learned about characteristic of a living organism and what is life. So friends, what is biodiversity? Bio means jav and diversity means vividita. Here biodiversity is the existence of large number of plants and animals which complete together make up environment. So friends, जो सबसे ज़्यादा बायोडाइवर्सिटी मिलती है वो मिलती है सी में, उसके बाद लैंड के ऊपर और उसके बाद ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट में. ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट में जो सबसे ज़्यादा स्पीसीज़ होती हैं वो होती हैं आर्थ्रोपोडा की. Biodiversity maintains the ecological balance on the earth and it also prevents species extinctions in one way to preserve biodiversity. If we talk about nomenclature and identification, process of naming living organisms such that a particular organism is known by same name all over the world. Here, nomenclature in biological classification, system of naming organism. The species to which the organism belongs is indicated by two words, the genus and species names, which are Latinized word derived from various sources. ये जो स्पीसीज़ और जीनस के नेम होते हैं ये लैटिनाइज वर्ड होते हैं. अगर ये प्रिंट करते हैं तो इटैलिक्स में लिखे होते हैं, अगर हम प्रिंट नहीं करते तो हमें इनके नीचे अंडरलाइन करना होता है, वो भी अलग अलग. So friends, if we talk about identification, identification is describing an organism correctly so that organism can be named. Without identification, we cannot carry out the nomenclature. Importance of nomenclature. A common system of naming is essential so that it makes it widely accepted throughout the world. This helped to a great extent in maintaining standardization in naming living things. This is the example. Homo sapiens means human beings. Homo, it is genus, and sapiens, it's species. Now, if we talk about binomial nomenclature, it is also known as binary nomenclature. Binomial nomenclature is two-term naming system which uses two different terms to name the species, plants, animals, and living organisms. It is given by scientist Carlos Linnaeus in 1758. It is so very important. The two terms consist of genetic epithet, which is genus of that species, and specific epithet which indicate the species itself. This system can also use some other different languages to create such scientific names. These scientific names are unique and help in identifying organisms anywhere in the world. The components are generic name, which is genus, जिसे हम वंश भी कहते हैं, specific epithet which is species, और जिसे हम प्रजाति कहते हैं. नाउ इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट सिस्टम एंड रूल्स, ये जो सिस्टम एंड रूल्स हैं ये जो हमारे ICBN और ICZN डिक्लेयर करते हैं. अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस सिस्टम ईच ऑर्गेनिज्म इज नोन बाय टू नेम्स, जीनस नेम एंड स्पीसीज नेम. दीज नेम्स आर ऑल रिटन इन लैटिन and genus name plus species name make up scientific name. Name of genus always begins with capital letter, whereas the species name begins with small letter. The scientific names are always italicized. When handwritten, the genus name and species name have to be underlined. Now, ICBN full form is International Code for Botanical Nomenclature. ICZN, International Code for Zoological Nomenclature. So friends, जो हमारी क्लास में इम्पोर्टेंट नेम होते हैं साइंटिफिक नेम वो ये हैं होमो सेपियंस ह्यूमन बींग्स, मैंगीफेरा इंडिका मैंगो, राना टिग्रीना फ्रॉग, ओरिएजा सटिविया राइस, Triticum aestivium wheat, and Canis lupus familiaris dog, Felis domestica cat, Panthera leo lion, Panthera tigris tiger, Musca domestica housefly, and Helianthus anus sunflower. Here the classification of living organism is process of grouping things into categories based on some easily observable characters. Characteristic is feature or quality belonging to a particular organism. Now, need for classification. It is not possible to study about each existing living organism in detail. To make study easy of organisms, their relationship, habitat, and it also makes us to identify them easily. So friends, one more point. Classifying organisms into groups make it easier to know about different life forms. If we talk about taxa, taxonomy and systematics. Taxa is scientific term for categories into which the organisms are grouped. Taxa can indicate categories at very different level. Here this is taxonomic hierarchy. This is taxa, or this arrangement, this systematic arrangement is known as taxonomy. Here all living organisms can be classified into different taxa. This process of classification is taxonomy. Systematics. Systematic is branch of study which deals with the systematic arrangement of organisms and relationship among them. अब हम इसकी स्टडी कर रहे हैं टेक्सोनॉमिक हायरार्की की, इसे कहते हैं सिस्टेमैटिक्स. Taxonomic category, a part of overall taxonomic arrangement. So friends, here this is taxonomic category and this is also taxonomic category, but this is taxonomy. Here taxonomical hierarchy. Taxonomic categories together constitute taxonomic hierarchy. अब ये सारी टेक्सोनॉमिक कैटेगरीज मिलके एक ग्रुप बनाती हैं. इस ग्रुप को कहते हैं टेक्सोनॉमिक हायरार्की. हियर टेक्सोन और टेक्सा, ये हम पहले ही बात कर चुके हैं. ईच टेक्सोनॉमिक कैटेगरी रिप्रेजेंट अ यूनिट ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन टर्म्ड एज रैंक और टेक्सोन. नाउ इफ वी टॉक अबाउट हायरार्किकल क्लासिफिकेशन, organisms having highest similarity are placed in one taxonomic unit called a species. This is lowest species. A group of several species is then assembled into next higher unit called a genus. Plural is genera. And group of genera is then collected to form next higher term called family. Similarly, a group of families form an order, several orders form a class, classes form a kingdom. In recent times, particularly in bacterial taxonomy, a rank above kingdom level has been created called a domain. So friends, if we talk about taxonomic hierarchy trick, this is taxonomic hierarchy. Kingdom, division or phylum. Phylum is for animals, division is for plants. Then class, order, family, genus and species. This is the trick. Keep pot clean or family get sick. Here K represent kingdom, P represent phylum, C represent class, O represent order, family represent family, G represent genus and S represent species. Hope you like this. If you like this, like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.